David Doherty of the TP52 Matador. Good to see you out in the water. You've got a big day ahead.
Yeah, it should be an exciting day, I would think, and fairly quick. But last week was our kind of condition, so yeah, a bit better for us. But yeah, if we can just stick around the front of the TPs, we'd be pretty happy.
Dave Goetz of the Raikkopu 63 No Limits. Big day ahead.
Yeah, no, we're looking forward to it. Blow the cobwebs off.
Plenty of good competition.
Sean Langman should be here. You know, Euro M, which is another big boat. So, yeah, no, we should have a nice little hit out.
Peter Frankie, Drew Jones from the Sydney 36 Salt Shaker two-handers. What are you hoping for today?
Fun race, fast fun race back before the bar closes.